Well, here's a beautiful 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 2LT Convertible. What a beautiful car, and just under 13,000 miles. You're going to love this car. It's great to look at. Great thing about being at buyavette.net, you get to see all these beautiful color combination of Corvettes and muscle cars. And remember, click the link down below this video and you can see detailed photos and get the pricing details on this car. As we said, this is beautiful Watkins Glen Gray on the exterior. It has a jet black interior, and it has a jet black convertible top that just sets this car off. Under the hood, you'll find a 460 horsepower LT1 engine and 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission with posi rear end. Now, factory features on this car include the $4,455 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you, many of you already know, but this includes heads-up display, Bose 10-speaker stereo system, steering wheel controls, has MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar. It has that advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package. It also has the front view camera. This car also sports the Grand Sport package, black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride controls, dry sump oil system, has those Z06 sized wheels, tires, and brakes, and it has the Z06 style rocker panels, the wider quarter panels and fenders with specific rear ratios. It has a wicker bill rear spoiler, as you see on this video. It has a specific front splitter. It has side skirts. This car comes with a performance data recorder with navigation. The chrome wheels are beautiful. It has remote start, power top, and of course, everything on this car is power. This car comes with a one-owner Carfax, clean Carfax, and as you've heard, it's very nicely optioned. This car, we said, shows just 12,775 miles. It's a new car, and you're getting a great deal on it. So give one of our sales representatives a call here at buyavette.net. Look it over good here. Give one of them a call. They're all experienced in Corvettes. You can call them at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you do hit the notification button, you'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Remember, we're buyavette.net. We're located in Atlanta, Georgia. You'd love to stop in sometime and see our Corvettes, but remember, we make shopping online something you can do with ease, but more importantly, with confidence. We ship nationwide every week, so give us a call at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.